Hello everyone. Today we will teach how to cook a delicious Chinese food like in 5 minutes. We can say this are little cabbage and some garlic. What we need is little cabbage, garlic, and soy sauce. With that, we could cook and salt. Of course, salt. With that, we could cook in 5 minutes a really traditional, delicious vegetable. First, we need to pour some oil inside the pot. Yeah, a little bit it will be okay. Then we put the garlic inside the pot. Make it rinse a little bit until you could smell the delicious garlic smell. Okay, let's put the cabbage inside the pot. Ready for oil, right? Yes. But don't worry about that because once it gets like oil, it will become smaller, as you all know. You already see that some water already come out from the cabbage. The vegetable always have like water inside, so we don't need to add water. Look, it's already became smaller, right? Yes. We need to like each of them to get cooked. We could cover it for a little bit so it will be cooked much faster at the same time. And at the same time, I will take plate. We can see like most half them is getting soft. And also it's getting smaller. If you want it more soft, you just cook a little more time. Because the root part is a little harder. The top part is already soft. We want the root part is getting softer, so it will be easy to eat for your teeth. At the same time, if it's almost done, then we will add some salt. We'll add a little bit of salt. Potato oil. Actually, it's okay right now, but if you want it like more traditional, more like Chinese, you could add this soy sauce. And soy sauce is okay. And remember to add it when it's cooked well. If this is the last step, let me add a little bit of soy sauce. Okay, we should turn off the fire. Let it rinse a little bit. Okay, this Chinese cabbage is done. You could put them in the plate to enjoy the food now. How do you put them in the plate? Yeah, our traditional cabbage is already done. We could eat it. Thank you for watching, and I will update another food later. If you like it, please subscribe it. Thanks very much.